Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the flyer using the PixelLab in smartphone. How to do that, so without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can start to install this PixelLab into your smartphone, and here I am using the Android phone to create, let's say, the flyer. And by using this PixelLab, you don't need to do the login or sign up or even purchase their package because this is 100% for free. And this is the look of the home page of this PixelLab. And also you can start to create the flyer, and the very first thing you need to do is decide about the theme that you would like to present into the flyer. For example, for the competition or the, let's say, the product of your company or from your restaurant, etc. And for example, today I would like to create the coming soon or the flyer about the archery competition, and the information is still mysteriously coming soon. So the first step you need to do, you can click the three button or three dot on the top right corner, and you can click use image from gallery like this, and after that you can select the picture and you can click this marked or this thick, and I will remove this new text. Click the dustbin on the top left corner and click OK, and I will start to adjust the brightness, or it is too dark, like this, and click this checklist button. So you can start to do the colorizing. You can click this, it's like the magic stick on the down right corner, and you can click brightness like this, and also I will click the vignette and enable it, so this will be the look that I want, and start to apply to it, and I will save it first and save as an image and click save to gallery first. And after that I will go back to this default and click OK, and I will import the picture that I have saved before and click OK, and I will remove this text first, and after that I will add the shapes, the from gallery, and for example I will choose this one and click OK, and you will see on the corner there will be the slightly big circle to adjust the size of this object or the picture. But if you would like to remove it, then you can simply click dustbin and click OK. And for example, I will try to import another one. You can click this and you can click the rotate, and I will adjust the position like that. And after that I will start to add the text. For example, I will click A down here and click plus text and click the text will be ready here, so you can do the adjustment for the color. For example, I will choose this color and I will choose this one. How to get this color? You can click plus here, and after that I will direct this dot into this section, and in this middle option I will click this and adjust and drag the scale to become the color that you want, and click OK, and click OK again, and click Edit to create a text. For example, the archery competition, and make it into the fully in capital letter. Click OK, and don't worry, you can also adjust the size like this, or you can also do the adjustment. Let's say I will create another one like this, for example, and I will make it as the headline and make it the biggest title. And after that, I will go to the font name. For example, you can choose this one or click in my font or the recent. For example, I will choose this America and click OK. And after that, I will click the B style to make it bold or bolder. And I will also again adding the size like this. And after that, I will add another text. Click text here, competition, make it full in the capital letter, and again I will adjust the color to be similar, and also change the font. Well, by using this PixelLab, you can start to explore with yourself to do the every single tool that is provided into this PixelLab. I'm sorry. And after that, to make it mysterious, for example, I will add the word. For example, click edit here, coming soon, and make it full in capital letter. And again, you can adjust the font like this. Okay, and I will also adjust to be thicker, coming soon. And I will add another or do the editing in 2026 or in the next year. And after that, I will adjust the alignment to be in the middle like this, and I will put the another or the last text, for example, the website www.archery.com, and click OK and put it down here. And you can adjust the font again. America, okay. Oh, it's not really clear, I'm sorry. So you can choose the another font that is visible for everyone. For example, I will choose this arm wrestler. Okay, there you go. And I think it's better to add the size or increase the size of this coming soon. So that's it, guys. This is the flyer that we have. So don't forget to try this PixelLab with your mobile phone, and please let us know on the comment section if this PixelLab also work for you. So that's all, guys. I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. And once again, if you would like to save it, then it is very easy. You can click this save button and click save as image or the project and save to the gallery. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel to watch more another video. I'll see you another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.